Good morning, students. How are you? I am Sister Soumya. I teaching science for 5th class. Chapter 2, The Skeletal System, Part 1. From this second lesson, we learn about a skeletal system. Skeletal system. Our body is made up of cells. Cells of the same kind join together to form tissue. Underline that. Cells of the same kind join together to form tissue. Then tissue together form an organ. Tissue together form organs. The organs together form different organ system. The organ together form different organ system. Then from cells, tissue, from tissue, organs, from organs, organ system. Next we learn about main systems of our body and their functions. See the table, body system, main organs and functions. Nervous system, brain, nervous, spinal cord. These organs functions are controls all functions of the body. Controls all functions of the body. Next one, skeletal system. Main organ, bones. That function is gives shape to the body. Helps in movement. Next one, muscular system. Muscular system's organs, muscles. Muscles. Muscles function is helps in movement. Helps in movement. Next, circulatory system. The main organs of circulatory systems are blood vessels and heart. Which are they? Blood vessels and heart. Then its functions are carries food and oxygen to all part of the body. Then second point is collects waste materials. These two functions are there. Which are the carries food and oxygen to all part of the body and collect the waste materials. Next system, digestive system. Teeth, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Which are the organs of digestive system? Teeth, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. And its function is digest food. Digest food. Next system is respiratory system. Respiratory system's organs are nose and lungs. Nose and lungs. Its functions absorb oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. We know that we absorb oxygen through nose to lungs and release carbon dioxide. Next system, excretory system. Its organs are kidneys and skin. Kidneys and skin. Its function is removes waste from the body. Removes waste from the body. Next system is reproductive system. Reproductive system. Its organs different in male and female. Different in female and male. Its functions products young one. Products young one. Next topic is the skeletal system. All the bones of our body forms the skeletal system. Without the skeletal system, our body would have no shape. An adult human has 206 bones. How many bones? 206 bones. At birth we had more bones, but as we grew, the bones join together and become longer and larger. Let us see the diagram of skeletal system. Skull, facial bone, teeth, shoulder blade, upper arm bone, forearm bones, thigh bone, shin bone, calf bone, ankle bones, jaw bones, collar bones, breastbone, rib cage, backbone, hip bone, breast, metacarpals, finger bones, kneecap, metatarsals, foot bones. These are the skeletal system part. Students, now let us learn about functions of the skull. Functions of the skull. Gives shape and support to the body. Second point, protects, dedicate internal organs. Supports, dedicate internal organs. Third point is, helps to bring about movement with the help of muscles attached to the bones. The bones of our body are made up of minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Underline that. Calcium and phosphorus. Which minerals are there? Calcium and phosphorus. Parts of the human skeleton. Human skeleton, skull, spine, ribs, lips, joints. Which are they? Skull, spine, ribs, lips, joints. Okay? Students, we will see the first part, skull. The skull is bonicus that makes your head and face region. Second point is, it protects the brain and gives a shape to the face. Third point is, it is made of 22 bones. Total 22 bones are there. Skull. 8 bones that makes the skull and 14 bones make the face. The lower jaw is the only movable part of the skull. Which one? Lower jaw. It enables you to chew your food and speak. In bonicus, only lower jaw movable. Other bones are not moved. Students, next part is spine. The backbone or spine or vertebral column. Spine also called the backbone or vertebral column. The backbone is made of 33 small bones. It's called vertebrae. Single vertebrae can be compared to beads which are hollow at the center. The backbone protects the spinal cord. Backbone protects the spinal cord. Cartilage is present between the vertebrae. It enables the small bones to slide over each other, thus making it possible for you to bend, twist, and turn. Cartilage helps the spinal cord to bear body weight. Cartilage also cushions the vertebrae against sudden jerks you experience while traveling or doing other activities. Next part, the ribs. 12 pairs of thin, flat, curved bones in the chest region form the rib cage. How many pairs? 12 pairs. Then how is that bones? Thin, flat, curved bones. Where it is? In chest region. Then second point is, they are joined to the backbone at the back. 10 pairs are joined to the breastbone in the front. The last 2 pairs of ribs are not attached to the breastbone and are called floating ribs. 2 pairs are not attached to the backbone. That is we called floating ribs. Floating ribs. The next point is, the rib cage protects the lungs and heart. Rib cage protects the lungs and heart. Okay, students, read the lesson twice. Okay, thank you, students.